Hi. Took a break today. It was kind of hot to do any yard work, but I figured I wanted to put up this video, let you guys know what I'm planning on doing in about next month. Yeah, this is my shed. I want to renovate the whole inside. It's gonna be a lot of work because it's practically me by myself doing everything. But yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to clean out back there, so I'm gonna have to rent a U-Haul. Take all this stuff and drop it off at the landfill. Let me go inside. I don't want to go through this door. I don't want to open nothing because I'm holding the microphone in one hand and the camera in the other. So the shed has been neglected for a while. At one time we wanted to make it into a tiny home for my mother, but it was going to cost too much. So all we want to do is just really clean it out and I don't know, just make it look a little decent. So back here I want to throw all this stuff, junk, garbage, throw everything out. Try to make this into for my planting gears, or my, the supplies, the rakes and all that stuff. Leave it all back there. I don't want to get no poison ivy. I know there's poison ivy out here. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. It also has electricity, so you could put lights. But I want to put all my gardening stuff in here, everything back here, make it look decent. The inside, it's a total mess. I don't know if you can see it, but it is a wreck. It's just garbage and garbage and garbage. This is stuff from renovating my house and bringing stuff in here, just to leave it in here till I can get rid of it, and it just build up. It's got electricity, it's got water, it's got its own circuit breaker box, but I just need to clean it out. So hopefully next month I'll post when I'm gonna start, especially when I get the rental truck, so I could just start throwing all this stuff out, carrying it to the truck and dumping it. And then look at the ceiling, is bad. It's just it's really bad. But that's what I want to do, and hopefully you guys will be with me when I finish that project from start to finish. And they also got a second floor up there. I cleaned out the whole this side of the roof last year. I was up there. You can't see, I'm too short. But I took all the moss. It was just leaves. I just took it all off. And yeah, we'll see how it goes, but it'll come out good. It's gonna take time. Like I said, it's a one-man crew. Maybe my wife will help me. I don't want her to carry nothing big, heavy. I got it. I could do it. But yep, that's gonna be my next project. Let's see from back here. Yep. Eventually put a new roof on. That'll be last. Paint it to match the color of my house. What do you think? Yeah. That alligator over there has been all colors, blue, red, orange. Now it's green. My climbing roses. Hostas. But yeah, so that's going to be my project. That's what I'm going to do. Starting next month, and see how much we can get done. So I hope you guys stick around with me on my new YouTube channel, and we can get this thing going. All right, talk soon.